Are you sick and tired of getting no XP for cutting down entire trees? Are you tired of people constantly taking your tree? Well, now you can chop down an entire tree in just seconds and eliminate the competition permanently. But I don't like to cut down trees, I hear you say. Well, the multi-purpose cannon can be used for more than just wood cutting. You can use it for fishing.
Fire in the hole! Oh, crap!
Nom 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 nom. Or perhaps even cooking.
Fire in the hole!
Many more skills. Except runecrafting. Buy yours from the Grand Exchange today.